Hello, it's Teagan, and today I'm going to show you what I did to upcycle some broken holiday Christmas lights into some beautiful snowflakes for table decor for a Christmas party. So this is a very easy project using something I had that had become useless. These Christmas lights that burnt out. We were done with them, we were ready to get rid of them, and we had these snowflakes that were attached to them and used to light up when they worked. And I pried them apart to get two separate pieces, and this is what I used. So you'll need something to make look like snow. You probably don't have the exact same Christmas lights, but kind of look around you and see what you think you could turn into snowflakes, or just make snow look snowy. So you're going to need something to make look snowy. Other than that, you're also going to need some sort of adhesive. You're going to need a place to make messy or to work. And then I used Epsom salt. Very simple things you need here. Not a lot going on. So you're going to make sure you get an adhesive that works to whatever you're trying to bond it to. And yeah, so I'll show you how I did it. Alright, I'm going to show you how I turned this plastic, it was actually part of a Christmas light, how I turned this into a beautiful snowflake. I'm going to use this as table decor for upcoming Christmas party, so that'll be fun. So first things first, these were actually together, like sandwiched with lights in between, and I took them apart, just kind of pried them apart with scissors. And now I'm going to show you what I did to coat it with Epsom salt. So this is just plain Epsom salt from the drugstore, and I'm going to adhere it to the plastic. This is kind of shiny plastic with craft spray, Craft Bond spray adhesive. I've had this a long time, and I noticed it said it will bond to plastics, so that's why I'm using it. You want to make sure you're going to use something that will work with plastic. I'm going to shake it really well. I have my room very ventilated, very important things to consider. So I'm going to spray it down, and then I'm going to cover it with the Epsom salt. So, here we go. Grab a little bit more here. Okay, so I've just made to coat it, I've just made sure to coat it very carefully, and now I'll kind of get the extra off, and there you have it, a beautiful snowflake. You obviously could throw in some glitter or something. I chose not to. For very cheap. I didn't spend any money on this. I have some beautiful table decor. So, hope that was helpful. Alright, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and found it helpful. And consider subscribing to my channel, where I will hopefully continue to post little tutorials on various crafting type things. So there you go. Beautiful snowflakes. Have a great day.